everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Untangled. We know you've been waiting for this episode to come live soon because of the amazing response you gave us to the first episode. Honestly, we were so happy that you liked all the opportunities that we shared with you, and we hope that this video also makes you feel excited and pumped up to try new resources, new opportunities, and then in the end, be unstoppable. So, I think without further ado, let's get right into everything that we've planned for you. So, are you all set to untangle all your worries with us? Well, we know how difficult it gets in this world of adulting where you're juggling with different expectations, new things to explore, and whatnot. And we also know there's a lot of information overload out there. There are so many things that you want to do, but you still never kind of understand what you should do and what you should not do. Which is why we have put together interesting set of resources and opportunities that you can explore in the coming weeks. So let's get into it, right? The very first opportunity we have for you is Hack India's 2025 India's biggest Web3 and AI hackathon. You have time till 30th of April to register for this. So go quickly in the comments below and click on the link. Also, you get to win from a prize pool of 1 crore 27 lakh 50,000. That's a huge amount. Imagine being able to showcase your skills and rise as a shining star who gets to win from this prize pool. For this, you have to also hack for 36 hours in a go. Isn't that so cool? Imagine being able to practice and showcase those amazing skills that you've been trying to grow over the period of the past few years. So don't forget to go and register for this opportunity. Just a few days are left for this to be closed. Well, before I actually talk about the opportunity, I'm going to tell you a little about how I know all of you love binge watching Netflix shows and also taking out the time to watch movies with your friends. Trust me, बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. But कभी तुमने ये सोचा है that why and how does Netflix understand what kind of TV shows, what kind of movies to suggest to you? And have you ever wondered how are they different from the ones suggested to your friends? Well, we have a full-fledged module just on this. Can you imagine how cool is that? You get to learn how Netflix suggests its movies to different people basis their watch history, basis a number of other parameters which you will learn through this course. And the link for this is given in the comments. But I will also share the different types of sections that this course has. So the first section is an introduction. It takes you through the different recommendation introductions, what is the recommendation engine all about, and what are the resources that can help you understand this better. Next up is the data pre-processing section. Here you'll understand the different ways in which Netflix at the back end understands you as a user and defines the different movies, shows that it should show just to you. And lastly is how you can implement these movie suggestions in different ways. Isn't this so cool? You don't just get to understand how Netflix does this, but you also get to implement this and do this firsthand to understand it better. So great. Now you know how Netflix, suggests all its different watch lists and movies and shows just to you and to different other people basis different other parameters. So don't forget to explore that module in detail. But now, before I move on to the next opportunity, I want to talk to you about how awesome it is that all of you keep sharing so much of love for us on LinkedIn through all the exciting opportunities you take part in. And the one which gets a lot of love and share is the weekly coding challenge. Now, let me just say this. The amount of love you all have been sharing with us on LinkedIn regarding the number of certificates you've gotten by being in the top of the weekly coding challenge leaderboard is amazing. So you crack the code and you earn the glory, and we love how you're all busy showcasing the fun merch that you receive. In fact, the top of the leaderboard are these three people, Kanak Kumari, Shiva Chunbuk, and Mohammad Hashim. Congratulations, guys. In fact, all of you should check this out. All the weekly coding challenges come up on the weekend. You can quickly solve them and climb up the leaderboard. Again, the link is given below, so don't forget to check this out and actually grab exciting merch and prizes. Next up, a very interesting opportunity. Meesho is hiring. Can you imagine to be a part of a startup that is growing, that has also been known for different things around their culture and their futuristic thought process? There are different openings in tech, HR, legal, design, finance, business management, and a lot more. So, if you are someone who's looking for a role at this point of time, don't worry, okay? Not just Meesho, we have other brands and other companies that are hiring, and we are going to put down all the links below for you to check them out. So, what next now? There's something that we want to reveal to you with a lot of love that you all keep sharing for us on social media, showcasing some of the top beautifully written posts that have come across on our feed. The first one is by Shivamani Bandari, who talks about day 26 of dynamic programming basics. So I'm understanding that he's been busy in going through the 30-day DSA bootcamp that introduced him to the different types of dynamic programming for exploring tabulation, state transitions, and whatnot. I love how he's been able to share everything in such a concise manner and also talk a lot about everything that he's learned from it. If you are someone who's interested in DSA, we've put the link in the comments for you to check it out. Next up is Ragini, who has another achievement that she's unlocked. Congratulations for 100 plus certifications, and now her global rank is 2691, which is amazing because of the kind of effort that she's put in by completing 104 certifications and earning 15,000 plus points. This is how you learn every day and you upskill every day, and then you get 1% better to climb up that leaderboard. Don't forget to check out your ranking on the leaderboard on the link given below. Next up, we have Divya, who was honored to be a part of the top case solvers of the weekly case challenge on Unstock. Well, I just want to say this, just like the weekly coding challenge, we also have a weekly case challenge for which I've put the link below. So don't forget to check that out because she enjoyed doing this and came out to be one of the top performers. Now, I know that everything is there's so much to do, there's so much to explore, but don't forget that you are unstoppable and we are always rooting for you to get better every day. That's all for this episode. We hope that all these opportunities were helpful for you and help you become a better version of yourself. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below for anything that you want us to talk about in our next video. Stay tuned for the next episode and we'll be back to make sure that you find the right opportunities among all the noise around you. Okay, see you.